Hey everyone, this is Vineet Bangera from Dance Central, and today we're going to talk about the Goa International Dance Congress. This is in its 7th edition and we are looking at the 29th, 30th and 31st of October. But before you book your tickets, let me very quickly show you what you are in for. So this event is a crazy salsa vacation hosted by Rocky Poonawalla, who's also a very dear friend and a brother. And he's an amazing host and a crazy fun person to be around. And I've been privileged to be a part of this event for many years now. And we all know that Goa is a party hub. So there is the sea, there is the sun, there is salsa and a lot of alcohol. But Rocky's events are also about a lot of learning. So there are some really good workshops that you can attend and have fun in. And there is something for everyone, even if you don't know salsa. The vibe is very different. It is a very casual scene. You don't feel the pressure of being in a festival. It's a very chilled out vibe, you know. And I think we all need this after being locked in our houses for a whole year. The venue is Riva Resorts. It's in Mandrim and it's beautiful. And it's the same as last year. So the accommodation is taken care of beautifully. And what Rocky has done with the parties is that he has taken them outside the venue. Generally the parties happen at the venue itself, but over the last few years he has experimented with different venues and curated some absolutely crazy parties. The Sundowner is something to really look forward to. And you know what? I cannot wait to teach and DJ alongside some of my friends and some of the best Latin professionals in the country. These are some really crazy fun artists. Oh, and you know what? I completely forgot. Pool party is coming up next. You have to come out dancing, get your bikinis out and surfer shorts out. So guys, I hope you know how fun this event is going to be. And if you are keen on coming, please DM us, please connect with us. My team and I will help you with the entire registration process. There are some amazing deals available. And before I close the video, I'm going to leave you with my final thoughts. Actually, you know what? How about you hear it from Rocky himself?
All the instructors, all the participants really feel the heart in the event, and that's what makes an event happen. We have 250 people enjoying themselves at this beautiful venue with pool party and fun and dancing, and please keep the heart alive. That's how Rocky Poonawalla's events work.